Number 21. Keep someone informed. It means to regularly provide someone with the latest information or updates.
Please keep me informed of any changes. Please keep me informed of any changes. He keeps his team informed about project progress. He keeps his team informed about project progress. She always keeps her family informed about her health. She always keeps her family informed about her health.
Number 22. Keep your temper. It means to remain calm and not become angry.
She learned to keep her temper in meetings. She learned to keep her temper in meetings. Keep your temper when the kids are noisy. Keep your temper when the kids are noisy. It's important to keep your temper during negotiations. It's important to keep your temper during negotiations.
Number 23. Keep a watch on. It means to observe or monitor something carefully.
Keep a watch on the oven while baking. Keep a watch on the oven while baking. They keep a watch on the stock prices. They keep a watch on the stock prices. He keeps a watch on the weather for changes. He keeps a watch on the weather for changes.
Number 24. Keep your word. It means to fulfill a promise or commitment.
Always keep your word to build trust. Always keep your word to build trust. He failed to keep his word last time. He failed to keep his word last time. She always keeps her word, no matter what. She always keeps her word, no matter what.
Number 25. Kick the habit. It means to stop a bad habit or addiction.
He managed to kick the smoking habit. He managed to kick the smoking habit. Kicking the habit was tough but rewarding. Kicking the habit was tough but rewarding. She's trying hard to kick the habit of biting nails. She's trying hard to kick the habit of biting nails.